I always hear my nickname whispered at work and thought I was going crazy. My husband and I work at the same place, but in different departments, so our paths don't cross too often. He has this really weird nickname for me, and for months now, I've been hearing it at work. It's always kind of quick and whispered, and it's so short that I second guess hearing it every time. But I'll still whip around and look, and I never see anyone and no one else ever hears it. I never brought it up to my husband because I've been convinced that maybe I just miss him, or I'm actually losing my marbles, but either way, I'm not really hearing it. But tonight, my husband and I were a couple drinks in and chatting, and I went to walk in the other room and I heard it. I whipped around and marched back in the room, and he's there on the couch cracking up. I was like, has it really been you this whole time? And he couldn't even tell me because he was laughing so hard. He had to nod his head. Turns out for months now, when our paths do cross, he's been intentionally hiding from me just so he can whisper, scream